gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in pause MACD and at overbought levels with either side. With the 4 hour chart, we have reached to pause MACD and nearing overbought condition with either side. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in pause MACD, seeing signs of a converge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $165.81, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $168.88. My stop loss is at $165.21. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $170.73, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $166.43. My stop loss is at $171.35. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? And I'll confirm the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 25% chance to climb between 1.5 to 3%. To the downside has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 1.5%, and a 25% chance to fall between negative 1.5 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.